Hi everybody, and good Wednesday morning. Thought I'd do a quick video blog this morning to talk about today's weather and the potential for some wet weather as we go into the afternoon. We dodged a lot of raindrops yesterday, but today I think we'll have a little bit more of an active afternoon. It's kind of a gloomy morning out there this morning. Our high-res visible satellite shows a pretty good batch of clouds across the region. It's going to be a fairly cloudy day today, a little bit cloudier than recent days, but these clouds are fairly unproductive so far. Radar as of a little after 8 o'clock, pretty quiet across northeast Ohio, western PA. We had some showers down in southern Ohio, but those are likely to largely miss us as we go through the next several hours. Frontal boundary off to our north, and this front is what separates the really humid air from the sort of humid air. I'll bring up the dew points this morning, and I'll show you that it's still very muggy out there this morning with dew points well up into the 60s to around 70 north of this front. It's a little less humid, but a more substantial front is likely to pass through our region late tonight, first thing tomorrow morning, and that will allow dew points to drop a little bit more for tomorrow afternoon. All right, so let's talk about what's going to happen for the rest of the day today. I've brought up, this is not the current radar, but a computer model, our highest resolution short-term computer model, and we'll show you what the radar generally should look like today. I think as we go towards lunchtime and into the afternoon, our rain chances will start to creep up a little bit. This is at 11 o'clock in the morning. Here's noon, 1 o'clock, maybe a shower or two around. As we get into the mid-afternoon, this is when our thunder chances probably start to increase a little bit. A shower, a thunderstorm in some spots, perhaps most numerous for a while this afternoon south of Route 30, closer to New Philly, Carrollton, over towards Steubenville, and maybe the Pittsburgh area. That's where things may be most numerous, but even north of 30, north of 224, and up towards I-80, we can pick up a quick thunderstorm in a few spots by late afternoon. This is 4 o'clock. Here's 5 o'clock this evening. As you can see, everything's kind of scattered and random in nature, perhaps, again, most organized in this zone through here. And no surprise, that's where the Storm Prediction Center does have the highest risk of severe weather today. Let me actually bring up the day one severe weather risk, and I'll take off the model information here. The day one severe weather risk highest to the south and east of Youngstown. So where you see this green shading here, this is where the Storm Prediction Center does have a low-end risk of severe weather. Again, highest risk overall probably to the east, into the south and southeast of the Youngstown area, with lower chances of some rowdy storms as you go to the north and west. I don't think it's a big severe weather day here locally, but I can't rule out a couple of these storms getting to be a little bit on the strong side as we go through the second half of the day today. I think the best day of the week overall is coming up tomorrow. Then we're kind of back to an unsettled pattern for Friday and the weekend as a system kind of, pardon me, stalls over the Great Lakes and Ohio Valley. Now, I don't think either day of this weekend's a washout, but there can be a shower and storm passing through the valley from time to time, Friday, Saturday, and into Sunday. I'll have more updates on that weekend forecast later today on 21 News at 6 and 11 on weather for Weather Geeks and the Storm Tracker 21 app. Enjoy the rest of your Wednesday, everyone, and thanks for watching.